This is another one of the skin models that we use in our Bio 141 class. And this is a really cool model because it's showing 3 different patches or regions of skin. Here we're seeing hairy skin. Here we're seeing skin from the axilla. And then down on the end, we're seeing thick skin, maybe from the palm of your hands or from the sole of your foot. So the hairy skin is going to look really similar to what we saw on our other skin model. We can see hair shafts as well as hair roots. We can see hair follicles, the hair bulb surrounding the hair papilla. We have a sweat gland with a duct leading to a pore. We can see some sebaceous glands associated with this hair follicle as well as the arrector pillae muscle. Up inside of the epidermis, we can see our 4 layers, our stratum corneum, stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum, and on the bottom, stratum basale. If we look at the middle section, this is specifically hairy skin in the armpit. And the reason we're going to show you this one as well is because we can see 2 different types of sweat glands. We see the large sweat gland here, and then we see the other sweat gland here. The white sweat gland that we're seeing here is an eccrine sweat gland. These are the ones that are involved mostly with thermoregulation. And over here we see an apocrine sweat gland, and this apocrine sweat gland is going to sweat in response to fear or other emotional responses as well as hormonal signaling. Then we shift down to the third area here, and we get our thick skin. So I'm not seeing any hair in the thick skin, which is good. We don't have hair on the palms of our feet or the soles of our hands. But what I do notice is that the epidermis is huge. Look how thick that stratum corneum is. In addition to that, I now have a new layer. This white layer here is the stratum lucidum. Then we get our stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum, and down at the very bottom, our stratum basale. Also note we have these really beautiful dermal papilla in this region, and inside those dermal papilla I can see some of those Meissner's or tactile corpuscles. If I go down a little bit deeper, I can see one of those lamellated or Pacinian corpuscles as well.